Hi, welcome back to my makeup channel. Today we're doing...
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am joined with a...
with a very special guest. That is a classic when me in a video.
I am not on my own today. I am joined with Tim. Tim is my boyfriend. Say hello, Tim.
Hi.
I'm Tim.
I'm
Hello
Tim.
everyone.
It's me.
Today, Tim has taken on the challenge of doing my makeup, which is something that I've wanted him to do for a really long time, and we're finally getting around to doing it. Are you an artistic individual?
I'm possibly the least artistic person I know. And I'm not like, oh yeah, I'm so bad,
No,
you know,
he's
whatever.
terrible.
Really bad. See my handwriting, it's like...
so bad.
So I was born, and then like, obviously, you don't learn a lot in the early years, so it's pretty low sort of trajectory. Then it gets a bit better. Most people just sort of keep going, really perfected, but for me, just stayed the same.
Yeah.
Just reception, this'll do.
It does look like a 5-year-old's
So-
handwriting. I'm really excited to see what he does. I've got
Me too.
like 5 options of each stage of my makeup. So I've chosen like a few palettes, some blush, some different mascaras, and so he gets to feel like he's making some choices.
You'd have thought after years and years of watching you, sitting and watching you do your makeup while I just have gotten ready in 1 minute, that I know all the steps, and I thought, yeah, it's like 6 or 7. Turns out that's like...
We're
third of it.
surrounded by
Yeah.
makeup right now. I don't know what Tim wants to do, what look we're gonna go for today, but if you guys would like to see Tim attempt to do my makeup, then keep on watching. Do you know what comes first? The first step after like your skincare.
Primer, because it's the first. Like prime numbers.
But
How many prime numbers do you know?
Shut
watching
up!
at home. First number is a prime number, unless you're counting
Is that
0,
how you've
which
remembered
is-
it? Not to prime is a crime, they say.
What happens if you don't prime?
You get arrested. No, your makeup just doesn't last as long. Loads of primers for Tim to choose. Which one is speaking to you right now? Thought you might go for that one.
Far Sally.
He went for the most expensive, naturally. Farsali Unicorn Essence. That one?
Yeah,
Is that
go
your
on.
choice?
That looks pretty good.
Okay.
Drop this on then. This looks like a sort of eyedropper. This is going to be a shit show.
Yeah,
Hold up to your
let's
hats,
adjust.
ladies and gentlemen.
I've not used this in years.
Here we go.
There's gonna be, trying to tie up my hair. There's gonna be so much in my hair.
You know, just get it here. Sort of, you know, just... Watching your face is so funny. You're like horrified.
Oh, I'm trying really hard not to look in the monitors. The fact that you're rubbing it in with one finger is causing me so much rage. It's so not time efficient. Mm-hmm.
Whoa,
Oh,
that
Tim,
was a
you're putting
big-
so much
Am
on.
I?
Yeah.
Right, we'll just sort of give it a finish.
Oh my god. Tim has some options for foundation. He seems to be naturally drawn to
I like this one.
He's
I like
naturally drawn to the Urban Decay.
Emma left this on my bedside cabinet at uni for like 2 months. Me and my Urban Decay all-nighter waterproof longwear liquid foundation, because that's the next step. Yeah, we know each other well. We go way back. Okay, this isn't what I thought. I thought it'd be another sort of brush sort of thing, but I think I'm going to put this on my hand first.
No, I prefer the hand.
Like a waterfall? Oh no.
Oh no.
There's none left. Well, this look is ruined.
I have got-
If this looks bad now, I blame it on you for not stocking my favourite foundation.
Tim chose my favourite foundation.
Do I use my hand for this as well?
No. When have you seen...
Oh, this thing, the ball thing. Oh, now we blend. Okay. Is this wet? Did you wet this?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. You know what? We're just going to go with the flow today, because today is about... Well, as a good friend once told me, we don't make mistakes. We just make happy accidents.
Oh,
Yeah.
the man himself. Did you just do a 4th pump?
Oh yeah.
You're holding my head so aggressively.
That's because I'm trying to get it all. I'm trying to blend it out because you've way too much on your lips. I don't know why you. I don't know why you've done that.
What kind of look are you thinking? Where am I going?
I don't know where any of us really
Oh
are going. This looks sort of like a fun, playful, like give it to me now, but just like
Bit of fun way.
yeah, like in a playful sort of cool way. And that's yeah. to be honest.
Give it to me now.
Yeah, but not like now.
But not like
soon.
right now.
Give it to me soon.
Like, but playfully, right?
Yeah. That's you've hit it right on the head.
But also
there, I
like
think.
on the beach.
Just shut your eyes then. I'm just gonna...
Look at what he's doing to my eye. Here we go.
Oh yeah,
That's
you
the
actually
first
did it.
time
This
you've
was
actually
that
done
was
it
a
right.
joke. That was a complete joke. Me doing this.
Yep.
Oh, you don't just smear it in then.
No. Don't you bounce the beauty blender over your face.
Well, they should call it a bouncy blender then.
Well, they don't call it a swiping blender, do they? It's like it's how it was designed to be used.
Beauty is pain. I don't want to hear another peep out of you. It is a bit in your hair.
Oh, Tim.
I'm trying.
We're going out tonight.
Base layer. Wait, no, there's that concealing one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use the Too Faced.
You just picked up the first one you saw.
Born This Way, like Lady Gaga. Does she make this?
No.
Well, yeah, she should do. Someone should tell
Copyright.
her. She's missing a trick.
So where do you think this goes? This is... What colour is that compared to my skin?
This is darker. This is.
No, it's not.
Under your eyes.
Yes.
So... Oh man, right, we're just gonna sort of go, be bold. That's what this look is, really bold. Just sort of
But
a lot
give it to
of
me.
everything. Yeah.
Playful.
Well, yeah, that's
in like a
those
subdued
are,
way on the beach.
Yes. I'm gonna use the beauty blender for this as well.
Yeah.
What? Why not? Why not? I say. At the end of the day, it's all just.
Comes off on the wash, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Right up your face.
What do you have to do to your concealer once you've done it?
Set it.
Yeah. What do you use to set it?
Setting spray.
No.
One of these.
Yes.
Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use this little brush. No.
No.
A big
He
one?
just picked up a pencil brush. Tim loves Drag Race and we watch it together. So Tim knows what baking is.
Oh yeah, they bake so much.
Yeah. Where do they bake and then do it on me?
They have like really, it's almost like where it looks like you contour, like there. It's all over their face, honestly. Like a snowman. It's also part of this look, inspired by the snowman.
I really thought you were going to be okay at least the foundation.
What did you think? Let's just go.
You can't see any difference, can you?
No.
Oh my god, you're being so aggressive. You're making it crumble.
Mush it in. That's a good word you want to hear. Mush. Now we're going to move on to the eyebrows, because Emma takes forever on them.
You're right, I do
Where's
take forever.
where are they?
All benefit, everything.
24-hour brow setter. That's good, because I like to have my eyebrows all day. Cabrow. That's very creative, isn't it? This is such a weird shape. Like, what is this? Oh, okay.
It's a little brush for travel.
Ah, do you ever use it?
No.
There you go. We'll just do a quick brow look. You're going to have to turn your head so I can, like... Just brush across. I think I'm doing a pretty good job, actually. And just top it up. If you ever see that you're running out of paint on your brush, you just put a little more on.
You are a moron.
This is like, the equivalent of this would be like you coming into the chemistry lab to try and like do a reaction, but you'd probably die. Sometimes you like cone them up like this. So I might do that. Come on, stop laughing at me. I have a unique style. I'll be doing it in Milan next week. Look, I can really, maybe I'll,
You're holding that
trying.
brush.
So, just like hair gel, we want to get a big, thick dollop. That's a good word, isn't it? What's your favourite word? It's audience interaction, Emma, come on. They look like they're going to really crust up. 24-hour brow setter, which we talked about earlier. Really layering on now. Contour.
Okay.
No.
No, it's fine.
This is Emma's Hoola Benefit. Doesn't give me a whole lot of information. Bronze. Bronzer. Sweep this matte bronzer all over. Oh, there's instructions! All over face, or use it to create a natural looking contour. Well, that's just misleading. It says bronzer and contour.
You
This
just
is
said
a
you were going to
bronzer.
contour.
But this is a bronzer.
I use that to contour.
Oh.
You know I use this.
Is that loads?
Yeah.
All the way around, giant.
Oh.
Like a big circle.
Like, so I can look even more like a plate.
I've really smudged it there. So, oh man.
It's so weird. You're so like firm with some things. Like when you were doing my eyebrows, you were literally like. when you do things that need blending, you barely touch it, which means it's just not blending anything. You can go a little bit firmer. Yeah, but if you're doing something and it looks like it's not making a difference, you should probably do something different.
What's so funny? Stop laughing at me. I'm losing the very little confidence that I have. It's just so much on and I can't get any on. Here we go. It's just going in your eyebrows.
A good way to do it is to look at the colour of the bristles. What have I clearly been using with it?
This one it is then.
Yeah.
Little circles, let's do. Because cheeks are circular.
What's that?
A nice flower, square case. It's pink. It's something about cheeks. So let's put it on there. Well, that's a lot. You're blushing, Ems. Now we've blushed it.
Blushed it.
We're gonna do the highlight because that's around that area.
We know this one.
So this one.
Ooh.
I traditionally with a highlighter. I remember my physics teacher yelled at me because in front of everyone. Because I would just highlight the whole page, be like, oh, that's an important sentence. Oh yeah, but I need the rest of the sentence to know that that's what it's structured. So I would just highlight about 80% of the page. Where the light would hit it, which would be on the bottom of the blush, I think. Just go with it.
I can't believe you right now.
It goes on your nose a bit later.
I'm baffled.
A bit on the schnoz.
You
do that there. You do that. You're lying straight to your viewers right now. Don't stand for this. Oh, does it go up further? Does it go more up here? Let's put a bit there then.
Now he's figured it out.
This is now, as the look progresses, we get more of the fierceness. Now we just move on to like the easy bits. Well, I say easy, like the eyes and the lips.
You think that's the easy bit?
Tim's tutorials. Every Thursday. Emma's agreed we're going to be doing a new look. I'm going to go for this jawbreaker one.
Okay, I thought you might.
I've actually watched a bit of Jeffrey.
Yeah, Tim loves Jeffrey.
He seems to know what he's doing.
Unlike someone.
Hey. You're right. Iconic colours such as virgin, wow, suck, soaked, fuck, and what? Is that RuPaul themed? Do you reckon they get on, Jeffrey and RuPaul?
Dunno.
I do know this because you asked me the other day. You can do like a blend of them. So maybe in your crease, your name starts with an E. So that's the 5th letter of the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go for suck. You're 22, which is 2 plus 2 is 4. But so we'll do 4 back. So cherry wet and suck.
Okay.
And then one more. Let's go for a sparkly one. Let's go for cotton candy. It just looks awful.
Try blending rather than stamping.
Okay, look more this way.
Little circles, tiny little circles.
Now this is in the crease. This is a nice sort of blend. Doesn't really look like it's doing anything. Oh, it's like the sunset really. That's also what I'm going for. Just sort of party islands, you know. Let's get crazy. But you know, at the end of the day, you've just got to really just chill out, grab a brewski, and just sit and watch the sun go down. That's all life is really. At the end of the day.
Is it?
It's an end of a day.
Oh, you've gone for a shimmer on the outer corner. I mean,
exactly.
Basically, what you've done, from what I can feel, is you've gone backwards. So
no, I just sort of did a bit.
The darkest colour normally goes out here.
Well, I don't. That's not how I roll.
Okay, I don't want to disrespect
like a
your
nice
art.
bold cherry wet look over it, and then at the edges sort of have the suck and then cotton candy on the other side. It's like you can't really blend it with this brush.
No, because I assumed that you were going to be putting it on my lid.
No. Now shut your eyes.
Who puts?
I'll just sort of blend it through, so it is kind of on the lid. It's sort of. Who does this? I do, Emma.
Tim's actually trying here.
Yeah.
That's what's concerning me so much. I knew that's what you were going to do.
You said under the eye? that's where I am.
I've actually given up hope. Liner time.
Right, this is like felt tips. I used to use them in school. I'm gonna be natural.
Oh yeah.
Okay, no, I naturally want to sort of go from there, but I just need you to start it from here in the middle. The eye. Maybe let's start from the corner first, and then we'll just do the bottom. Okay, well, I thought your eye ended there, but actually it appears to sort of not have. So we'll keep going. We'll just keep going. Go with the flow. They're sort of curly. Oh no! Oh no! Oh come on! Stop laughing! Go on, now we're gonna finish it off. I keep like messing it up. Stop laughing! Honestly, you're screwing this up. I'm doing it where the crow's feet are like ending and then you open
Crow's feet? You
Yeah.
saying I've got wrinkles, boy?
No, very nice. Now the other side.
Pretty, eh?
It's nice how they don't match. It's like, I mean, one might say you were two-faced, which brings us into our next two-faced damn girl. Damn girl, two-faced.
Where are you going?
Trying to just put it on and then pull towards me.
From the top?
Yeah, you're looking down, so I assumed that I'm supposed to pull.
No. The wand.
The wand?
The brush that you're using right now.
Wand.
That's what it's called. It's a mascara wand.
Use your wand, Harry.
Get a wizard, Timmy. Ronald Weasley, how dare you steal that car? Inquiry at work and we are absolutely disgusted. Oh, and Ginny dear, congratulations on making it to Gryffindor. Your father and I are so proud.
Leave down below your favourite Harry Potter quote.
Troll in the dungeon. My.
Oh my gosh, that's just a classic. That's my boy! Ah! Oh no! The look is ruined!
You're doing the same face as me.
Wanna know how I got these scars? Well, I'm the Joker, baby. Video, right?
Yeah.
If you haven't seen that, type in I'm the Joker baby, and you'll see one of the greatest memes of our time. I'm the Joker baby. Hourglass gloss. This says, I don't care what you have to say, and I feel good about it. That's what I'm channeling here. F you. That's what this look really says all over. Like,
You.
it says everything really. My life. This one's actually going okay, you know?
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, you can do that. Just do it a bit more higher up because... Huda Beauty.
Resting boss face.
Huda Beauty. If I was a boss of some sort of establishment and I was a lady, I think this would be my chosen look. Go on. Go on. Do the face that you like. I'll show you. But you do this, you see that. Oh my god, that's going right away.
You've made me match you.
I think she likes it.
So here is the look that Tim so graciously did for me. Have a look at this eyeshadow. Look at this blending.
It's very good, isn't it?
The foundation isn't terrible. You got the contour in the right place.
Good.
You know,
Where did it start to go wrong for you, personally?
when I asked you to do this video with me. Well, guys, that is it.
Marks out of 10.
0. There weren't many redeeming factors.
What about this nice smudge here?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave us a comment down below. How do you think Tim did? I like the colour you chose. The colour combination is lovely.
Yeah, that. I think it was focusing.
That is the winner. That's the best part.
You were like, have you like planned for it? I was like, nah, because if I start planning, I'll overstep some very simple hurdles.
Which you just
Did.
plowed on through them instead.
Yeah, but at least we were confident, eh? At least I got to the end.
You did. We made it out just about alive. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have the best day. Subscribe if you are new and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you very soon. Bye.
See ya.